In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your domain's homepage on systeme.io. If you're new to systeme.io or just looking to optimize your website with a custom domain, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and guide you through this process in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to access your systeme.io dashboard. Now, if you're already familiar with logging into systeme.io, this should be a breeze. Just head over to their website and prepare to enter your login credentials. You'll need your email and password handy. This might seem quite straightforward, but ensuring your login details are accurate will save you a lot of time and potential frustration. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the sign in button. This will take you directly to your dashboard where all the magical website customization takes place. Now that you're logged in and staring at your dashboard, find and click on your profile picture. This is your gateway to accessing various settings related to your account, including your domains. After you click on your profile picture, a menu will appear. Navigate to your profile settings. This is where you'll adjust anything specific to your account, and it's crucial for setting up your domain homepage. In your profile settings, you'll want to locate the option for custom domains. This is where you manage all domains associated with your systeme.io account. It's the centerpiece for customizing how your website is perceived on the web. Next, you'll need to add your domain. If this is your first time adding a domain, systeme.io makes it quite intuitive. Simply follow the prompts to input your domain information. Once that's done, make sure to save any changes to confirm your new domain. With your domain added, there's an essential step. You must obtain the values for two CNAME records. These records are essential for DNS configuration, so you'll need them to connect your domain effectively to systeme.io. Make sure to copy these details accurately. The next step involves selecting your homepage. Navigate to the funnel or website page within systeme.io that you want to be set as your homepage. This is the face of your website, the first impression your visitors will have. Once you're in the settings of your selected page, look for the URL path field. This part is particularly important for setting your homepage. You'll need to delete any text within this field. This step ensures that your page resides at your domain root, making it the default landing page. Finally, save all the changes you've made. This applies to your systeme.io settings and any updates needed at your domain registrar. By saving, you ensure that everything is in place and your domain is successfully set with the desired homepage. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to set your domain's homepage on systeme.io. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your website.